What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. It's a nice day outside, so we're gonna head over to Brandon and Logan's shop and see what's going on. It's a full house today. Same height as the school bus. Or taller. Made it to the shop. Ooh, look who's at the end. They got this truck out today. Sick 3rd gen. Man, got both the beasts parked next to each other. Which one you guys taking? I think it's Ford gang. Haha. They look good together though. Where are we going, Walgreens? Need some amp steps, boy. Tried to go to Walgreens for some poster board, but they don't have it. Now we're going to Dollar Tree. We got this kid's poster board for his school project, right? Yes, the school science project. History class, my bad. Yeah. Hey Brandon, since when do you fill a transmission from the top?
Since they were made.
Since they were made?
Oh yeah.
You always do this?
Well, this right here is custom with the K.
Oh.
So you see, all you gotta do is take these 4 bolts off.
Yeah.
And then they're in.
And then it goes right to the transmission or the exhaust?
I think the rear left tire actually.
Rear left, this is how you fill up the rear left tire. So then, that's how you balance it?
No, I'll show you that here in a second. First, I take the cap off.
So you take that cap off.
And you wanna
slice that B off. Yeah, got it.
Unscrew this.
So you slice it and then you screw it.
Yeah,
very important. And then you eat it.
Use your teeth always.
Oh, my bad. Then you throw it over there. And you put that back on, and then
ready?
You fill up your
fucking squeezer.
Now, is this the rear left tire still, or is this the right one now?
Oh, always the rear left.
Always the rear left.
Always.
Okay.
So now you just gotta kind of swish her around. You want to get all the gears nice and
Nice.
Here, actually, I'll give you a first-person view.
Oh, sweet.
Okay, you ready? You want to get her all? Damn, this seems like a tablet. You gotta get her all filled up. Oh,
Repeat 6 times.
You put 6 of these in because it's got 6 cylinders.
It's got 6 cylinders, 6 tires.
It's got 6 tires, 6 transmissions.
6 transmissions.
Oh, what the?
17 turbos.
Dude, I just lost a cat.
Oh man, Jesus. Oh.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Why don't you not cut the top off and just dump it in? Then you don't fucking have half.
You know what, Logan? We're trying to do a tutorial here, and you just come and
wasting time.
No, this is how you fill the front left tire.
Wasting time, dude. Just take the fucking top off and squeeze the shit out of it.
So a few of you guys have been asking for a quick little run through on the truck. So for wheels, we have 26x16 RBP forged. For tires, 44 by 19.5 Interco boggers. The lift is a 24-inch custom Plan B fabrication lift. And the lift is actually for sale right now. With the coilovers, FOAs, 14s in the front, 12s in the rear. All the 4-link, all the bars, everything that you see will be cut off the truck and is for sale. I'm asking $15,000, and I love the lift. It's only because I want Logan and Brandon to build me a lift. I want to go bigger, and instead of stretching this lift, I'd rather just build a brand new one. So this is for sale. You guys heard it first here. 15 grand. Comes with the axles, the drive shafts, everything you need. Hit me up on Instagram or comment down below. My Instagram is Gabe Farrell Productions. So if you guys are interested, it's a crew cab short bed, by the way. So I don't think it will work if you have a long bed, but if you have a crew cab short bed, any Ford, we can make it work. Shipped to your door too. Let me know.